Hey Mike here. Here's a crow call just got done up. It's out of some nice tulip wood. Now, these calls work just as good for crow hunting. I crow hunt, and they work good for locating gobblers also. Uh, when I do a crow call up, when I send them out, they're normally I have it set up so it's a little deeper sounding, a little more rasp to it. Personally, I like to try to get the local crows fired up first, which when you got a raspy, deeper sounding call, to me it usually really gets them worked up. Now, I'll just this reed is set. It's close out to the end of the reed guts there. I'll just blow on it. Now you should be able to hear the deeper, raspier sound in it. Now my reed set, my reed guts, they're in a tapered hole. This hole in this call is tapered. So you can, if you want a screaming sounding call, real high pitch, you can take a simple striker, just put it up in there, push that reed set right out. It's not hard. Now, this reed set, there's a lot of reed sets out in the market where they have notches down here where once you put the reed in, they're pretty much set. But these ones ain't. These are cut tone boards with movable reed. So if you want to call it, it's going to scream. What you do is you take that reed, and once you receive the call, you can mess with it at home, and that way you get the feel for it. Now right now that reed is sticking out at the bottom of that gut set. Right there. Like that. I'll just put it, like I said, this is a tapered hole going through here. So you just take that reed set, the guts, the tone boards, put them in a hole, just give them a little push like that. Now I'll just blow on a call. Should be higher pitched. There, it's higher pitched, it'll scream. Now, you can leave it like that in the field, and if you want to get the raspiness out of it first, in the morning or something like I do, I'll gargle a little bit while I'm calling. That'll put rasp into it, make it deeper. Now me, I crow hunt. So when I'm crow hunting, I set them where it's raspy, because gargling all the time, that'll work on your throat. But anyhow, like I said, just a simple striker, push it up in there. It ain't hard. Set that reed where you want it. Like I said, when you get the call, you can do this at home. Just put her back down in there. Give her a little tug with your finger like that. And there it is. Like I said, a lot of reeds have notches in them for that mylar to set in them guts. So if you have one from someone else, you may be able to do that. If maybe not, but that's it on the crow calls.